Today I'm going to show you how we got these shots. Hey, I'm Sebastian and we filmed this in Bali, Indonesia. There's an airplane sitting on the edge of a cliff and it's about to be converted into a hotel. And we got the chance to film something there. I just had to decide which camera to bring. I decided to bring my Insta360 X3 and there are a lot of reasons why I chose this camera. First of all, it's a 360 camera and it films in all directions, so you can just reframe it later and you don't have to worry about framing when you are walking over the wing of an airplane. My favorite way of mounting this camera is using the Invisible Selfie Stick. You can pretty much use any selfie stick as long as it's thinner than the camera itself. Then you just screw it on. I like to extend the selfie stick to 2 meters and this gives you the perfect field of view and it looks like someone else is filming you. Let's dive into the settings. We choose the resolution first. I like to film in 5.7K with 30 FPS as we don't need any slow motion in this case. Then we open the further menu. I like to leave the white balance on auto. The colors I set to standard and one of my tips is set the AV to -0.5 just that it does not overexpose on a really bright day. And one other pro tip is enter the menu here, go into the settings, scroll down and go to video sharpness, set it to medium. You can always sharpen it in post-production. Now we only press record and we are ready to go. Walking out over the wing of the airplane, I first held the camera horizontally, but then I realized you cannot look underneath the wing and this way it doesn't look as high, so I just tilted the camera down and it just looked much better. Then I tried to sit down while holding the camera and it was a little sketchy, but I managed to sit down and still hold the camera steady and I just think the shot turned out amazing. Then I turned the camera around because I wanted to show you this amazing sunset. Now we got all these amazing shots on the camera and I will show you how to edit them in the Insta360 app. We click down here to connect the camera to the Insta360 app. Now we accept it on the camera and wait for it to connect. Now we can see all the videos here and we just click on the one we want to edit. Now we can just reframe the shot and point it towards me and then we will set the first keyframe. Then we will just play ahead and set the second keyframe. And now we go all the way to the other side and set a third keyframe. And as you can see, it will start moving the camera automatically and ease it between these keyframes. Now we can just press export and export it to our phone. And then we can upload it to social media or do whatever we want to do with it. Of course, you can also use the desktop version of Insta360 Studio or other editing programs, but I find the reframing really easy in the Insta360 app. I really hope you can use these tips to create your own amazing travel videos with this camera.